Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTaker. In this video, I'm going to talk about the review of the Lava Agni 4 after using more than 72 hours of usage. So let me to talk about all the aspects about this device, the things I like and things I didn't like about this Lava Agni 4. So that's what I'm going to discuss in this video about the Lava Agni 4 device. So first thing, let's start talking about the form factor. I mean about the build quality. So let's talk about the build quality. What are the things I did like about this device? About the build quality, guys, definitely it feels pretty premium when you read all the device. So all the boxy type design. So completely I did like this kind of very neat interface, and the phone definitely can stand by itself because of this flat bottom is also pretty good. And you do have the top and bottom speaker grill, but still the audio output is not that great in terms of the loudspeaker in this device. Not only that, even the haptic motor is not that strong. So that's another factor which I didn't like in the Lava Agni 4 in terms of the haptic feedback. That could be really lot better, but it feels like kind of close to 10,000 and 15,000 mobile phones. Similar kind of vibration I'm getting in this device. That's a thing which I didn't like. And you do have the uniform bezels all around the Lava Agni 4. So next, let's talk about the performance wise. The phone has got a Dimensity 8350 processor, which is pretty powerful enough. And regarding the performance, Android benchmark scores you can see, so close to 14 lakhs, 15 lakhs as well. And the CPU throttling, I did do the video on that one, so I did not see any kind of much throttling happening in this device. So that's also fantastic. And the battery guns mobile game, you can only play at 60 fps. That's not the 90. Call of Duty you can play at 90 fps. So moreover, in my usage, I didn't find any other lag or any kind of problem issues with the performance. That's something you should know about the performance wise. So that's only the one stronger factor in the device, which is performance. So which is really pretty strong factor in the Lava Agni 4. And the next thing is about the Type-C port. So let's try to talk about that. Type-C port is a display output port. So you can actually connect the external monitor with the Lava Agni 4. That's one another advantage which we did see in this device. So for this kind of price range, I think no other phone can actually support that feature, like connecting to external monitor. But this phone can do that. That's also another advantage. And next thing is regarding the UFS storage read and write speeds, which are really very high in the Lava Agni 4. For this kind of price range is also really good to see. And this code even did beat the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. This is S25 Ultra, and the phone was able to beat this device in terms of the read and write speeds. So it's pretty powerful, I would say. So next, let's talk about the display. So regarding the display is also pretty sharp enough, guys, like 1.5K resolution, which is also really fantastic in the device. So 1.5K, 120 Hz refresh rate you do get in the device. So I don't have any kind of issues with the display in the Lava Agni 4. So overall, I'm pretty much happy with the display as well in this device. So overall, the performance wise, the build quality and the display, these are the few stronger factors for the Lava Agni 4 device to consider to buy. So that's another thing. So now let me to discuss about the camera samples. So right now I did use this device to take a lot of shots, so outdoor shots as well. So which did come pretty good enough, I would say, regarding the outdoor capabilities. And 4K 60 fps is also supported, which is also fantastic, guys, in terms of the 4K 60 fps supported. So as you can see, 4K and 60 fps you can use that, as you can see. So which is also really fantastic in the Lava Agni 4 in terms of supporting the 4K 60 fps. And a lot of I'll try to upload this sample video, so stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested. But overall, the camera is also pretty good enough, I would say, in this kind of price range. Decent enough, the camera. Even the wide angle shots are also really fantastic. So no issues with that in terms of the camera quality and picture quality. You can see it's really very good in the Lava Agni 4. So next thing is about the battery backup. So battery backup is another area where the phone did not meet my expectations. So because of having the smaller battery capacity of 5000 mAh of battery capacity, so every day by end of the day you will definitely need to charge the device to continue next day. So at least the lava could have included 6000 mAh of battery or maybe 7000 mAh of battery. That could be really biggest advantage selling point for the smartphone. And because right now we are seeing so many smartphone manufacturer bringing up with the 7000 mAh of battery, so that's why a lot of users are actually hesitating to buy this device of the battery backup. Since a lot of phones are releasing with the 7000 mAh, I was expecting the same thing for the lava to do, keep the battery backup high, but that's not the case. So definitely screen on time will be 5 to 6 hours of time in the lava agni 4 device. So this is a few things guys about the lava agni 4, and this is my overall review about this device after using more than 72 hours of usage. So in case if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. So meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching, and don't forget to check the playlist videos in my channel, so you'll definitely find all the interesting things about the lava agni 2 in the playlist. So until then, signing off, thank you for watching and bye.